y cuando gira será bonito porque se verán los discos puestos.
2023 was my first competitive season with Contra Drive systems. We did a lot of videos with the Anthem and Contra, but this winter we decided to convert one of my epilogues and my father did an amazing job. The Epilogue is one of my favorite airplanes of all time, and with the one I have achieved my best results. This model is fantastic with a single drive, easy to set up and fly, helps maintain a constant speed through the program, has an amazing rudder authority, and does beautiful snap rolls. It's a super complete model, and I was really curious to test it with the new CRS3000 from Dualsky with their new propellers. After adjusting all the dual rates and expos and changing a bit the CG, the model was flying at its best. As smooth as always, but more locked and more responsive, with plenty of power, improved braking capabilities and overall an amazing F3A to enjoy and compete at the highest level still in 2024. I spent a week back at home with my family, training almost every day and setting up this airplane for my father but also as a backup for me. It was great to test it to compare it with the Anthem. Now I definitely see clearer differences between both, and I can tell you that the Epilogue continues to be a top level model. Remember that the Epilogue is still available in our website along with the CRS3000 from Dualsky and their new propellers, which are for sure the propellers I will be using in my models this year.